Assalamu alaikum, class 5, day 14. Open your grammar book, page number 16, lesson number 4, sentences. Read the sentences given below. Look, Mary bought a doll. Every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Okay, a subject is what or whom the sentence is about. So, Mary is subject here. A predicate tells us something about the subject. Mary bought a doll. A doll. Okay. The words in red are all subjects. Mary, the room, the farmer, a yellow butterfly. And underline words in blue, these all are verbs, doing words. Verb is an action word. The words in the blue are predicates. With paper all over, on the red rose, the soil, a doll. Mary bought a doll. The room was littered with paper all over. The farmer is tilling the soil, and a yellow butterfly is sitting on the red rose. After that, do let us understand this exercise. Remember, sometimes two or more nouns can act as subject of a sentence. A subject is generally placed before a verb. Look, circle the subject and underline the predicate. The children enjoyed the magic show. So, children is subject, circle. Don't write is here. We use are. Children are subject, circle it. Enjoy the magic show. The magic show is predicate. The cat is subject, and muse predicate. Anita and James love dancing. Anita and James are subject. Remember this, sometimes two or more nouns can act as subject. Two or more nouns. Love dancing is predicate. Fourth one, I finished my homework before going to play. I subject before going to play, predicate. Joseph will bring chocolates for all of us tomorrow. Joseph, subject, will bring chocolates for all of us tomorrow. The position of subjects change when we ask questions. Sometimes the position of subject can change in the statements too. Study the following examples. Why is John not coming down for dinner? John is